How to set up paid Calendly appointments and meetings. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up paid Calendly appointments and meetings. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Calendly, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Calendly, it is a user-friendly scheduling tool designed to simplify the process of arranging meetings, appointments, and events, in which it allows users to share their availability through a personalized link, enabling others to book time slots without the back and forth of emails. And Calendly integrates seamlessly with popular calendar platforms like Google Calendar, Outlook, and iCloud, ensuring that all appointments are automatically synced and conflicts are avoided. And now to create an account, you can simply click the link in the description, or you could also click the Get Started button on the top right corner to sign in. And after signing in on Calendly, you will automatically be directed on this dashboard of homepage of Calendly. And it will show us on the left side panel some of the options to navigate. And now to proceed, all you need to do is simply click to start creating a new event in here. Just click this new event button on the top right corner under event types and click here what kind of events do you want. But I'm going to choose, for example, one-on-one, and after choosing it, it will show you on this pop-up window in here on the right side panel that you need to fill out all of this required information, including the name of the meeting. For example, I'm going to enter consultation program as the name of the meeting in here, and you could also select here below the duration of this meeting. For example, we have here 30 minutes, 15, but I'm going to choose 60 minutes or 1 hour. And after that, you'd also select the location that you prefer, but I'm going to choose in all of this option the phone call. You could also set the weekly hours if you want to schedule the meeting. If it is recurring meetings, you could also add a date specific hours that you prefer, and also the availability of it in here. Now the location, I'm going to choose again the phone call, and it will ask you how will you get in touch. I'm going to enter requires invitee's phone number. And now to proceed, you can now click the create button in here. Upon doing so, you'll now be able to see here that we have now successfully created or add a meeting in here. We can start choosing the date of the meeting that you prefer, or schedule it depending on your preferences. But to add or to make it paid, just click the more options in here, and upon doing so, it will show us a variety of options to navigate, such as a description in here, limits and buffers, free or busy rule, booking page options. But just click this payment, which you can simply collect the payments before the meeting. However, you must also connect your Stripe or PayPal account in order to do so. And to do that, just click this Go to Integration button. Then we will automatically be directed on this Integration and Apps section. And it will show us the two options, either PayPal or Stripe. And by clicking PayPal, we can start connecting our PayPal account in here. And make sure that your account in PayPal is a business account. However, it must have an upgrade account in order to connect your payment option in here. So you can start subscribing to their standard account in Calendly to connect your Stripe and either your PayPal account in here. And after simply connecting any of those options or payments, you can now start setting your rate and make a paid meetings in Calendly. However, from here, it will show you on the right side panel some of the options once again that you can start navigating under these more options. It will show you in here the invite form, notification and workflows, confirmation page, and many more. By clicking this confirmation page, this is basically what they will see. While under this invite form, this is basically what they need to fill out, including the email and name. And aside from that, you could also navigate on top of it this booking page option to set the frequency of available slot for the invitees. But again, in order to start creating a paid Calendly appointments and meetings, make sure to also add your payment option or subscribe to their standard plan in Calendly. And aside from that, you could also share your meeting by clicking the share button in here. As you can see, by clicking on it, it will show you an option to share a link where you can copy to send or even add times to email or add to your website if you want to. So basically, setting up a paid appointments in Calendly is important for professionals and businesses that offer services, consultations, or events requiring payment, in which these features streamlines the booking and payment process, ensuring the clients commit financially when scheduling a session, which reduces no-shows and increases accountability. So you can start upgrading your plan in here, which is the standard plan in order to navigate to link or connect your payment option such as your PayPal or Stripe account in here and start creating a paid appointments in Calendly. But overall, that is just basically how you can set up paid Calendly appointments and meetings. Thank you.